The law of attraction completely saved my life. I was living a life of absolutely no purpose. I had no direction. I didn't know where I was going. All I knew was that my life was not where I wanted it to be. And that is what caused me to change. All it takes is to start. And I was drinking every weekend with my friends, and I was getting up to no good. I was doing absolutely nothing of value with my time. And in 8 months, I completely changed around my life due to this law. And now that is the reason why I want to share it with you. I want you to be able to put this to use, just as I have, because it's too good to keep to myself. I know that everybody in this world can change their life positively with this law. So I was a kid with no purpose, as I said. I didn't know where my life was going. And when I found this law, it completely changed my life. Where am I now? What does my life look like now? Well, I have more money than ever. My relationships are way better than they have ever been. Every single one of them. I jump out of bed full of excitement every single morning. Well, I can't even explain it with words. I feel way better than I ever have. And now I want to tell you how you can put it to use. First of all, be grateful. If you are not grateful for what you have now, not only will you not be given anything more in your life, but you will, in fact, start to lose a lot of the things that you are not grateful for. And another thing I need to say, so the law of attraction, quick summary is like attracts like. How you feel turns into reality. So feel good. To feel good, you must have good thoughts. There you go. That's just a simple, quick summary of the law of attraction. So how can you put it to use? Yes, gratitude. Gratitude is very important. What I do is every night before I go to bed, I write down everything that I'm grateful for as much as I can. Depends how much time I have. But what I do every time is make sure that I feel that gratitude. Not just that I'm writing as quick as I can just so I can go to bed or just so I can get along with my day. I'm writing, and every single thing that I write about, I feel how grateful I actually am for it. Another thing is something I find with the law of attraction is a lot of people overcomplicate it, which was the case with me also. When I first came across it, I was doing so many different things and I was overwhelmed. Instead of attracting, I was kind of chasing, and that does not work. You have everything. That's what your mindset should be. You have everything already. And the reason gratitude is so important is because if you're trying to attract everything into your life, but you're not grateful, then it's going to be more of chasing it, because you're in a state of lack. You're acting like you don't have everything, but you should. That's how the law of attraction works. You have to have everything. That's how you should think. That's what your mindset should be. So that is why gratitude is so important, and that is how I use it. And it's also important that you train your mind to keep that feeling of gratitude throughout your day. That alone will completely change your life. Couple that with the feeling you have as you fall asleep. Couple that with feeling as you fall asleep, as you're drifting away into sleep, into unconsciousness. Be in the feeling that you already have everything that you desire. Don't think of it. Don't think, oh, don't go to sleep like this, thinking of everything you want, but from a state of thinking of it. because that, once again, creates a state of lack. It creates a state of you not having everything that you want. You must think from it. So I already have everything. I'm falling asleep right now. I am over in Spain. I have millions of euros. Everyone congratulates me all the time. Whatever it is, just whatever it is, that's how your life is right now. And that is, you think that you're falling asleep from your mansion over in New York or over in Spain, and you have everything you ever wanted right now. And lastly, it takes persistence, it takes time, it takes effort. By doing this, you're completely changing, you're rewiring your mind. And that takes, trust me, that takes practice, and that takes persistence. Every day, some days you're gonna have bad days. Like, you're not going to fully feel that it's working, but it just takes persistence. And my biggest piece of advice would be, do not overcomplicate it. Just live your life and be grateful. It's easy. You can walk. If you can't walk, you have a wheelchair. If you didn't have a wheelchair, you couldn't go anywhere. That type of thing. Be grateful. No matter who you are, no matter what you have, you have so much to be grateful for. Just be grateful. Just be happy. And act like you have everything you want. And go throughout your day. At all times, act exactly as if you had everything you ever wanted. And think exactly everything that you ever wanted. And don't let any contradicting thoughts get into your mind. Build that wall to stop off every negative thought. And that will take time. As I said, that will take effort. But trust me, once you achieve that, your whole life will change. And you're invincible then. You can just get anything you want. Like, it's as simple as that. A lot of people don't. It doesn't work for a lot of people because they don't have the willpower to keep on going. They try it for a day, to see a video or something saying, oh, manifestations, affirmations, whatever. And they try it, and they do it from a state of lack. And when they say their manifestations, instead of feeling good because you have everything, I am rich, I am strong, whatever. Instead of having that good feeling that you should have, they have the feeling of, oh, I'm saying I'm rich, but I'm actually not rich. I don't have any money. And then it creates the opposite effect. It actually, like the law of attraction works in two, and it works positively and it works negatively. If you think negative thoughts, your life will get worse and worse and worse. So that's why it doesn't work for a lot of people, because they do it from a state of lack. So that's it for today. I don't want to it's almost 9 minutes now. I don't want to overcomplicate this video. Gratitude, the feeling that you have as you fall asleep, do not overcomplicate it. Just live life and just act as if you don't care. That's another good thing. Act as if you don't care. Like, oh yeah, you're attracting all this money. You already have it. So if I already have millions of euros, and I don't care about this thing here. I don't care about, oh, I have to pay for these bills. Sure, I have millions of euros. That's what it is. Simplified, the law of attraction. There you go. And I'll see you in the next one. The link is in the description for my ebook. You just sign up to my email list in that link, and you will be sent a link for my free first chapter and intro to my ebook. And yeah, I hope you have a good day. Use the law of attraction. It will change your life. Let's try that again.